We don't come out here very often. God, I don't know how often we come out here. Maybe once a year. Not even that sometimes. Soon we'll be in the casino area. Here we go. Open sesame. What? They both don't open? Well, you got an elevator. Are we at the right look? Yeah. I think the doors are going to open over here, probably, huh? Keep our eyes open for you know what. Okay. I don't know which way to go. I guess straight. It's over there where we need to go. Well, that must be the coffee shop right there, Mom. This is where we're gonna eat, folks, right here. Okay, I think we're done playing slots. We're cashing out a little bit here. That's good. Not much. It's better than nothing. Now we're probably going to walk and find the garage and go to the top level where I can film the mountains. Problem is right now on the mountains and everything, there's a lot of smoke coming over there into the valley from all the fires that's taking place. Well, I'm going to walk through this casino and see how long I can do this without getting in trouble. Movie theater over here. Got Century Theaters. Alright, continuing our journey through here. I guess that's our sports book right over here. Not real busy right now, but that's okay. It's good for us. Yeah, this is the way to go. You gotta find this escalator here. Did you want the elevator? Escalator. And you want the escalator or elevator? Escalator. Okay. Why didn't you get on this people mover? See, this is cool. I can just do this. I don't even have to walk. Person gets spoiled pretty quick on one of these. That's what I look like in the mornings, folks. Alright, now I'm going to try to go to the top. That movie there, The Eternals. Now currently I'm on top, the 4th level of the parking garage at the Suncoast. As you can see, I'm filming. And you can see the mountains in the west there. What I'm going to attempt to do is probably walk over there, west of me, and get a better view. So I'm going to do that. Now you might notice there's a haze in the air, and that's smoke. It's actually coming from California, coming over the mountains from all the fires, which kind of sucks. And we're basically in the Summerlin area of Las Vegas. And there's my wife way over there waiting for me. She's waving. Well, I guess I better get back over there, guys. Probably gonna go home soon. And off in the background there's a strip. Okay, well, guess we're gonna go. Okay, you gonna get on the people mover this time, Mother? Because I am. The people mover. These are great. Forgive her, ladies and gentlemen, that's my wife. When I first found her on planet Venus, I was on vacation from the planet Jupiter. We fell in love, and here we are. And if you believe that story, I have loads more I could tell you. And if you like candy, there you go, folks, and come right here and get yourself some candy. You take the elevator or escalator? Okay, I guess we're taking the escalator. Be careful, sweetheart. Don't need you getting hurt. Yeah, we could go out. What do you got? Well, my wife wants to find out what's playing at the movie theater, so that's what we're gonna do. Check that out. All right, what they got up here? You got Blue Bayou, Card Counter, Courageous Legacy, Dear Evan, Eyes of Town. I don't know, I can't see anything I want up there. Well, we had lunch over there earlier. Now we're just walking through the casino here. Get to the entrance where we came in at, and then head out on to the bus stop. That's what we're gonna do. You want an elevator or escalator? Elevator? Elevator's right here. God, it was good to get outside, take off the mask, breathe the fresh air. I mean, come on, guys. When is this thing going to stop? I mean, does anybody out there truly believe that masks work? I got a theory on this. You want to hear it? You do? Okay, I'm going to tell you. I don't think they really work. I think it's a fraud on the American people and the world. I know it sounds like a big conspiracy theory, but think about it. Think about it. You know. The way I see it, if you can breathe through the mask, which I can, barely, but I can breathe through it, how are you stopping anything from coming in or going out when it comes to a virus? You know what I mean? Just something to think about. You notice we got security eyeballing us right now. You see me on this gadget, don't wonder who I am, see? Still wearing the mask, huh? What? You're supposed to wear it all around? Yeah, sometimes these casinos, when they build their properties, they don't put in appropriate sidewalks. It's almost like they want you to stay and never leave. And they also assume everybody has a car. Well, we don't have a car. So, we have to customize our way we travel. You know. Well, if there's a bus stop down there, there's one right there, I see it. Right across the street. Like I said earlier, what? Okay. Like I said earlier, we're in the Summerlin area on the west part of Las Vegas right now. And we're just going to try to catch the bus, and that's the bus stop right over there. Go over there, catch it, and go home. Well, Suncoast, we're going to hit the road, buddy. Until next time, goodbye.